Hello everyone and welcome to Sim Unlock Phone's official YouTube channel. Today we're going to be showing you guys how to clear the Facebook searches on your app. So Facebook can build up searches, and this is just a quick, very easy video on how to clear it up. So all you want to do is open up the Facebook app, go to the search bar. There's already some searches there. Just click edit on them. And now you can see all the searches that you've done in history on here. And there definitely is a ton, but currently, if you just want to clear them, all you do is just click clear searches, confirm, and you cleared every single thing that you looked up. Very easy, very quick. That's going to do it for the video, guys. If you did enjoy it, leave us a thumbs up. If it helped you, leave us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you are new. Signing off, this is Drake with Sim Unlock Phone. We'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.